I'm going to show you how to input an RPM for your spindle speed. There's two ways of doing it. We have the main control page here on your F2 screen, and you'll see we have spindle stop, spindle clockwise, and a blank page or blank button right here. On the blank button, you input the RPM that you want it to turn, and then you just touch the spindle clockwise. Our spindle does not turn counterclockwise, so you'll never use that one. You just click spindle clockwise. And up here it shows you the requested RPM range and the current RPM range that the spindle is turning. It takes a couple seconds, the RPMs settle in, and they drift maybe plus or minus 20 RPMs, which is unnoticeable when you're actually using the machine. When you want to turn it off, you can just hit spindle stop. If you want to change your RPM, we'll go 2000. Okay, and you can go anywhere between 70 RPM and 2800 RPM. 2000. And it settles right in. We'll hit stop. Okay, the other way you call up your spindle RPM is go to the MDI screen, and you just punch in the desired spindle speed. We'll say 1500. So just S1500, M03 for clockwise rotation, and hit enter. If you want the spindle to turn off, M05 is spindle off. Okay. You can also, if I touch my line of code there that I want to redo, I'll hit enter. And it turns it on. You can also turn it off right here with a spindle stop button. So that's how you turn your spindle on, change the RPM range, and turn it off.